Yeah, we're back in the scorcher, sir. 90 plus degrees. But this one's got super ice cold air and drives like brand new. You won't even know it's that hot outside. Let's take a walk around. Dodge Journey SXT 2015. It's a premium package with a third row seat, alloys, privacy glass, navigation, backup camera, rear parking sensors, power driver's seat, streaming audio, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, one owner car, tons of service records on this piece, rear climate control, onboard computer, leather wrapped wheel, auto lights. And she's a nice one, folks. Clean, well maintained, all regular oil changes and maintenance have been recorded and available to the customer. This car is going to get a guaranteed credit approval program, and you're looking at $795 starting down for a third row seat Dodge Journey SXT with all these buttons, bells, and whistles. $795 starting down. Couple paycheck stubs, that's all we need. We'll get you started with that. Bank statement if you got one. If not, we can work around that. Don't even need a driver's license to buy a car here. This is the place to be. DasCleveland.com. Come on in, check out this Dodge 2015 SXT Journey. Bring me some paycheck stubs, and let's go for a ride. Only one spot to get this piece in 45 minutes of your time. DasCleveland.com.